This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
Bhatora Gram Panchayat Pradhan
to act in
addressed
terms of
to
the
me,
engagement letter.
wherein the lease which was granted to me to run the ferry ghat, now that has been cancelled unilaterally without giving me any opportunity of hearing. My lord, this particular notice kindly come to clause 4 of the notice dated 14th May 2025, annexed in page 33, annexure P6. Clause 4 says, আগামী 24/5/2025 তারিখের পর নতুন ব্যক্তিকে ফেরিঘাট হস্তান্তর করা হবে। ক্লজ 3 says, নতুন করে গায়েনপাড়া ফেরিঘাট লিজ না দেওয়া পর্যন্ত আগামী 23/5/2025 তারিখ পর্যন্ত আপনি নিজ দায়িত্বে ফেরিঘাট চালাবেন। নাও লিজটি বাতিল করা হলো ক্লজ 1 গ্রাম পঞ্চায়েতের চুক্তিপত্র অনুযায়ী কাজ না করার কারণে আপনি চুক্তি ভঙ্গ করিয়াছেন। চুক্তিপত্রের ভাড়ার তালিকার থেকে আপনি দীর্ঘদিন অতিরিক্ত ভাড়া নিয়েছেন। নাও লর্ডশিপ কাইন্ডলি স্ট্রেট অ্যাওয়ে then come to the original agreement which has been referred there. Now that is in page 26. That was granted in 10/2/2025. Kindly come to P3, page 26. 10th February 2025, issued by the same Pradhan, which says, my lord, kindly come to, it was addressed to me, Niranjan Gayen. এতর দ্বারা জানানো যাইতেছে যে 27/11/2024 তারিখে ভাটোরা গ্রাম পঞ্চায়েত অর্থ পরিকল্পনা উপসমিতির সভায় সিদ্ধান্ত গ্রহণ করা হয় যে গায়েনপাড়া ফেরিঘাট 1 বছরের জন্য লিজ দেওয়া হইবে। গত 25/1/2025 তারিখে গায়েনপাড়া ফেরিঘাট ডাক হয় এবং নিরঞ্জন গায়েন 20,10,1,000 টাকা সর্বোচ্চ দরপত্র দান করিয়াছেন এবং 27/1/2025 তারিখে 2,01,000 টাকা মাত্র ভাটোরা গ্রাম পঞ্চায়েত অফিসে জমা করিয়াছেন। নাও লর্ডশিপ কাইন্ডলি কাম, অর্থ পরিকল্পনা উপসমিতির 10 ফেব্রুয়ারি 2025 তারিখের সিদ্ধান্ত অনুযায়ী আপনাকে 27/1/2025 থেকে 26/1/2026 তারিখ পর্যন্ত গায়েনপাড়া ফেরিঘাটের লিজ দেওয়া হয়েছে। সো আই এম উইদিন দি লিজ পিরিয়ড, মাই লর্ড। So within the lease period, my lease has been cancelled unilaterally by the Pradhan without giving me an opportunity of hearing and as giving an aspersion against me that I am charging more fare as decided by the panchayats. Now, Lordship, kindly come to what is the fare rate provided. Ferry paraparer rate chart. প্রতিজন 2 টাকা, মোটরসাইকেল 5 টাকা, টোটো 10 টাকা, ইঞ্জিন ভ্যান 15 টাকা, 3 চাকার গাড়ি 20 টাকা, 4 চাকার গাড়ি 25 টাকা। Now, Lordship, I have taken the rate chart which is displayed in the ferry ghat, which is, Lordship, kindly come to page 28. This is still there, and if today also my lord sends any special officer, this is the ferry rate chart which is there. Here, Lordship, will find that John Pichu 2 টাকা, bike 5 টাকা, cycle 3 টাকা, toto 10 টাকা, such and such, it is still there. So, my lord, kindly protect me. Otherwise, this is within the lease period, and without assigning any reason, this lease cannot be cancelled. This is my humble submission.
I'm for the Pradhan. Can you see what is the complaint?
You are for the
Pradhan. Can you see what is the complaint against the my lord petitioner?
What is the name of the petitioner?
Niranjan Gayen.
Can you see the mass complaint, my lord? Mass petition, my lord. Several times, my lord, after receiving the complaint by the Panchayat authority, my lord, several times, my lord, the Panchayat, my lord, issued a notice to the, my lord, petitioner, my lord. On my lord, April 30, 2025, my lord, the Panchayat issued a notice upon the, my lord, petitioner to appear before the Panchayat authority relating to discuss about the complaint, my lord. My lord, after that, he will not appear, my lord. After that, my lord, can you see
no, whether you have given him any opportunity of hearing before cancellation?
But, my lord,
there is no provision for cancellation in your document.
My lord, before cancelling, several notices have been sent before the.
Where is that?
My lord, kindly see. My lord, kindly see the notice dated, my lord, 13 May 2025. 13 May, my lord, notice.
এটা মালার দিন
It is, my lord. Before cancelling, my lord, notice has been sent. Kindly see, the signature of the petitioner is there.
I do not know what is being shown to your lordship.
Kindly see, my lord. The petitioner intention.
Notice was served, Mr. Chatterjee.
Lordship, kindly come to
Supplement.
no, page 33.
Kindly look this. Look at this.
Lordship, kindly
Notice was served, and people of the locality make an
Lordship,
allegation
kindly
that
come to one thing. Kindly
You are
compare
realize-
this notice.
Instead of, my lord,
Now, compare this notice with page 33 once.
page 33.
Yes. This is the notice dated 13/5/2025. আপনাকে জানানো যাইছে গত 30/4/2025 তারিখে অর্থ পরিকল্পনা উপসমিতি।
Okay, I have read it. It is 14th May. It is 14th May. But that notice,
This is 13th May.
13th May.
13th May. Decision is on 14th May.
So you didn't appear. You refused to
The
accept.
question is the Oddo Taro. This was issued on 13th.
Panchayat authority, my lord.
This was issued on 13th. And decision is taken on 14th.
Before 30.
There was no question.
Notice has been sent.
This is on 13th.
Also.
Kindly see, Lordship.
Before 30.
13th it was issued. It says that Oddo 13/5/2025 অর্থ পরিকল্পনা উপসমিতির সিদ্ধান্ত।
Okay, you give an opportunity of hearing.
Yes.
Huh? Till that date, it would be stayed.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Okay.
চালাচ্ছে।
Acha, the present